So guys, I'm gonna be honest, it's gonna take me about 2 days. I'm not even gonna work out here that long today because I went back to work today and I didn't sleep too good last night. But it's probably gonna take me about a good 8 hours. So I'm gonna say 2 days because I work about 3 hours out here, maybe 3 days. So about 8 or 9 hours to clean. Well, really, once I get this clean, the heads and stuff, I already hit them and they're gonna clean up real easy. It's just around these tight little spots, guys, that's gonna take some time, but so I put my face mask back on here, guys. I'm always wearing a face mask, but actually, I'm looking at this and yeah, I went and brought me some more I went and brought some brake cleaner, guys, so I really got to come in and spray this all down with brake cleaner first, guys. And remember that brake cleaner is very flammable, so you don't want to be doing a whole bunch of other stuff while you're playing around with this brake cleaner. It's highly flammable, guys. All right, let me come in and spray this block down. There's certain areas that's got oil on it, especially towards the back. So I'm gonna come in and spray this thing down. But there's something else too, guys. I always wear a face mask whenever I'm spraying this, and I spray this down, and I go in and I cut the exhaust fan on and air it out in here. Then I come back out and finish buffing on this engine. All right, so now that I got that all brake clean, like I say, that brake cleaner highly flammable, so I move it out the way. Don't want no kind of sparks, guys. So. All right, guys, so I got this 70, 455, 510 foot-pounds of torque, 370 horsepower engine, all taped, ready for etching primer. Oh, I gotta tape this up. I wanna tape this up. I'm glad I'm filming. Oh, I'm gonna tape this up too. I'm going now. The direct acrylic gloss I use for a lot of parts. You can paint the engine with the direct acrylic gloss, but they got the JE in the shop line, and it's an acrylic and enamel. Now, let me make sure. But the JE, you know, gets up to 500 or better for the engine temperature. So the direct acrylic gloss that I use for painting most of my parts, front end parts, all of that, that's 400 degrees or something. So I can use the direct acrylic gloss on this from talking to the paint guy, but all my other engines always use the JE, so I don't want to half step on this engine and not use the JE. So I told him to mix me up a quart. I'm going to go pick that up here. So yeah, I'm gonna put this thing in etching primer, and then go pick up this paint. And the good thing about like the etching primer, you know, you can almost wait. They say up to 24 hours before you paint, but I normally like to get all my stuff done in the same day. So seeing that this already had paint on it, the gasket for the intake here, I'm gonna just paint over all of this, guys. I'm gonna just paint over all of it, so I'm not even gonna worry about it. It was a few gaskets. It's a gasket hanging over here, so I get a razor blade and I cut that off because he changed the gears in the fuel pump. But I'm gonna just clean it up. Don't have all that extra gasket. It was gasket here. I cut that off, and I cut off back there. So a few more things to do, guys, but I'm great. Put this thing in etching primer, and I just use a basic etching primer that you can get from any parts store. It works good enough, and just kind of go from there, guys. I never had it peel off on me or anything on the engine by using the engine etching primer, but it's just gonna make sure, etching primer, guys, make sure that whatever you're doing, like these bare surfaces, now I come in and do the 108 treatment on this, but I probably won't, you know, I don't know, I probably won't, but you can do that. But the etching primer is just going to make sure any of these surfaces, the old, you know, the paint, the JE paint that I use, maybe this is just, you know, I don't know, the factory red or etching primer just makes sure that the new paint sticks to the old paint, and any bare metal surfaces like here is going to etch that. So I probably will, if I want to make sure it's going to adhere in this area, I'm going to have to metal treat this, because any bare metal surfaces, even here, I should etch this with the 801. So I might spray this down. I got time before, he said about an hour and a half before the paint will be ready. So it takes about 10 minutes to spray this down with the 108 and dry it down. All right, guys. Alright, guys, so I got this all in etching primer now. So I'm going to try to paint the exhaust manifolds, but I know they're going to burn off. I'm not going to put that many coats on here because I don't want it burning off forever if it burn off. So I'm not really going to spray those, but I'm gonna put a coat or two on there. All right, guys, so that's just the first coat there. Man, ain't that something? Engine, same engine, color, same engine of the car, or close to it. Guys say, oh, it's a lot of pearl. It's a lot of pearl. Yeah, because of the money y'all charging me. It's a lot of pearl in that paint. Yeah, because you're making me spend a lot of dollars for that pearl. And guys, whether or not you know, red is the most expensive paint color that you can buy. So, just so you know, if you're going with any kind of red, you're gonna pay. You're gonna pay if you're trying to paint your car any color red. But this is red. This is like a pearl. Like it's got a lot of pearl in it. So it's not like a burgundy. It's not like a red. Not like a maroon. Man, the car that I painted looked more like a candy color. But yeah, that's the first coat. I put 3 more coats on here. Get that real nice and thick and shining, and oh buddy. All right, first coat, guys.